Hi po. Joke lang. Hindi pa tayo tapos. Gusto ko lang kayo kamustahin bago tayo mag-next song. I just wanna say maayong hapon sa inyong lahat. Thank you so much for singing with me and dancing with me sa Mancha. I saw you guys dance APT. Pero hindi pa tayo tapos dyan. We're still gonna dance. And I'm so happy. I am so happy to be the newest member of BDO. So maraming salamat po to my BDO family. And for this opportunity that I get to celebrate with you all, this BDO fiesta. You know, for me, at such a young age, it was taught to me that when it comes to finances and savings, it was so important. Most especially now that I'm a young adult, na I have to really save up for my future, for my goals and my dreams. You know, whether that may be small goals or big goals, that doesn't matter. Kaya I save with BDO savings account. It helps me stay disciplined and more confident about the future. It's never too early to start saving, kahit pa konti-konti pa yan. Basta tuloy-tuloy kayo, malayo ang mararating natin. And when it comes to BDO Pay, as the app for me, I love BDO Pay. It's so convenient, most especially now that we are now on a digital age. Talaga, may mga instances ba na naiwan niyo yung wallet niyo sa bahay? Minsan lang ba yun? Ako madalas kung naiiwan yung wallet ko. Totoo yan. Pero when it comes to BDO Pay app, I'm so happy and it's so convenient, it's so handy that I can just go anywhere with just a swipe. I don't have to directly cash in. It helps me pay directly from my bank account or credit card. So, BDO really finds ways to make banking things so easy and convenient. So, thank you so much again, Davao, for all the love. And before we move on to our next song, bababa ako dito. Paano bumaba? Alam, hirap dito. Okay, pwede dito. Ayan. Okay na yan. Okay na to? Okay na to. Natatawa ako kasi hindi ko nang talon po yung stage. Pero ready ba kayo? Promise maubos yung energy nyo dito, ha? Game? Okay, let's play the music! Come on!
Groovy tayo!
Sandali lang. Wag tayo mag-isa-isang picture. Mag-groovy tayo.
Lahat po
Mag-groovy
tayo.
O lahat po tayo.
Everyone, tayo
Tumayo para groovy kay Bel Mariano.
Yes.
Mag-groovy tayong lahat. Lahat po tayo, kaya groovy.
Oh,
Ayan.
tayo po tayong lahat. Tayo po tayo.
Everyone, para makita
Tayo,
kayo.
tayo,
Lahat
tayo.
kayo.
Tayo, ayan, nakakatayo na kayo. Tayo po.
Yes, magaling na po kayong lahat. Ay,
Pwede
hello,
pong
ma'am.
tumayo.
Ay, si Mom, kasabi ko kahapon, kanina, kagabi yan.
Yes.
Magkatabi-tabi yan, elbow to elbow.
Okay,
Oh,
go.
group.
Ito na.
Ready, babakay. Yes!
Bel Mariano, ladies and gentlemen, palakpakan naman natin mga ka-BDO.
Thank you.
Maraming salamat.
Thank
Ang
you,
bagong
Bel.
endorser ng video.
Kahit
Yes.
pawis sa pawis, napakaganda.
Ang bango.
Grabe, ang ganda-ganda.
Maraming salamat, Miss Bel Mariano. At eto na, yung
Oo.
susunod
Yes.
natin.